welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
My name is David from Nairobi, Kenya. I'd like to thank Mr. Scotty Kilmer for this chance to showcase my car. And my car is a 2009 Mitsubishi Colt. Now that the funny advert is out of the way, let's get down to it. Now here in Kenya, most people prefer to buy used cars directly from Japan. These cars are usually 5 to 8 years old, and they make up like 80% of all cars on the road, with half of these cars being Toyotas. I got my 2009 Mitsubishi Colt back in 2017, and she has served me really well. My car comes equipped with a 1.3 liter petrol engine, which produces about 94 horsepower at 6,000 RPM, and about 125 Newton meters of torque at 4,000 RPM. Let's give it a listen. The car's interior is pretty basic. It came with a Japanese stereo. I had to replace it because in Japan they use a different frequency for FM, so I wouldn't get a lot of radio stations on it unless you put something called an expander, which still doesn't give you all the FM stations that we have here. It also has basic air conditioning, still works. Power windows, nothing leather, nothing wood, just plain old plastic, just the way I like it. The car comes equipped with 2 airbags, one for the driver, one for the passenger. I've never really had a chance to test the airbags because that would probably ruin the car. With this car, you know your RPM by the sound that's coming out of your engine. If it's very loud, your RPM is high. If it's low, your RPM is low, because there is no revometer. I've seen other Colts and some of them have revometers. I'm guessing mine was a basic trim, but you do get a fuel gauge, you do get a temperature gauge, you do get a speedometer and all the basic warning lights. Now this car has done about 190,000 kilometers, which is about 118,000 miles since it was made. When it came from Japan, it had already done 115,000 kilometers. So I've done quite a lot of kilometers in I think less than 2 years, hoping to do many more because the car is still quite reliable. It runs quite well. The engine is still very clean, so I don't mind it. It looks small on the outside, but like with most newer model Japanese cars, it's very spacious. Good leg room, good headroom for it. Its roof is high up, and you can comfortably sit 3 people at the back. Yeah, and this is how you fold up the chairs to allow you to carry stuff at the back. So that's a bit about my 2009 Mitsubishi Colt. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you Scotty for the chance to showcase my car. Please subscribe to my channel. It's DMC TV, and I'll leave you with some scenes of me driving through the tea farms. These are tea farms where tea is grown here in Kenya. And thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.
week's video and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.